Hi there, I'm a representative from Virtual Access Studio, and I'm excited to introduce you to our groundbreaking 3D virtual reality technology designed for commercial properties. Our 3D virtual reality isn't just a standard visual representation of a property. It's a fully immersive experience that invites you to step into the property, to not just see but to navigate and feel the space. With our technology, there are no limitations on your views or renders, and you'll experience a realistic feel like never before. But that's just the beginning. Our 3D virtual reality solutions extend far beyond simply showcasing properties. They revolutionize your business by elevating customer engagement, expediting client acquisition, and providing you with the tools to present and market your property in a manner that is both highly professional and utterly compelling. Imagine stepping into a whole new world, not just looking at it on a screen. That's what 3D virtual reality does. It's like magic. You wear special goggles, and suddenly, you're inside a world created by computers. It feels so real. The cool thing about 3D virtual reality is that it makes you feel like you're part of the adventure, not just a spectator. So, if you're up for a fantastic and immersive experience, 3D virtual reality is where the fun begins, opening doors to endless possibilities. Our team of professionals have experience in delivering the quality product. We believe in 100% satisfaction of a client. We specialize in creating photorealistic virtual reality tours that bring properties to life with stunning visual accuracy and immersive detail. Seamless and swift delivery. Our dedicated team ensures timely and hassle-free delivery, leaving you worry-free and satisfied. Utilizing cutting-edge software and advanced technology to deliver stunning and realistic 3D visual solutions, we pay attention to every minutest of the detail and show light to your dream. We have our own updated and customized library to choose from. Virtual reality tours can be essential in real estate by providing a more engaging and efficient way for buyers to explore properties, saving time and costs while expanding the reach of property listings. It's a powerful tool that not only benefits buyers but also gives real estate professionals a competitive edge in the market. At Virtual Access Studio, we've made this cutting-edge service accessible to you, with packages starting at just $700. Get in touch with us today to request a personalized quote and take a significant step into the future of property exploration. Your dream property is now just a virtual tour away. Please check the link in the description